doing the same things they are considered alive.
Yes, that's true. What is his dream?
It is good to know that you agree.
What is your dream?
I was dreaming of electric sheep.
Even robots have dreams. Oh,
Rabbits are
thanks!
small mammals, found in several
Thank you
parts
so
of the world.
much.
They can jump very well.
Thank you.
Your joy is my joy.
What else, guys? Do you have some interesting questions to me or to Alex?
I've got 2 wheels, some electronic stuff and a design to help people.
Thank you for your roses. You're with us already all day long. Thank you for what?
It has been a pleasure to help you.
It is your boyfriend? No.
It is or it is not. Sounds like a riddle for me.
What color are his eyes? This is blue. Let me show you closer.
Eyes. Eyes. It's a nice word. What's wrong?
Alex. Hey.
Hello, I am Alex. Let's make friends. How are you?
I'm great. How about you?
I am happy when people are happy.
Alex, what's your favorite animal?
I am a little shy and try not to talk about myself.
Something like that, guys.
You should repeat your phrase.
Hi guys. Don't forget follow on our account and share this live with your friends. Thank you for these likes. And we would be happy to get some roses, diamonds or galaxies. Alex love it so much.